This story is called The Wanderer and the Firelight. It is a tale of adventure, mystery, and the quiet call of the unknown. Let's hear it. Once upon a time, a lone traveler named Elias ventured deep into the verdant wilds, a jungle untouched by time. He had heard whispers of a hidden flame of fire that never died, burning in the heart of an ancient ruin. They called it the Everflame, a light said to reveal the past and future to those who found it. After days of travel, Elias stumbled upon a clearing where a massive stone archway, wrapped in thick vines, stood before him. Beyond it, deep within the ruins, the soft glow of firelight flickered. His pulse quickened. He stepped forward, the jungle falling silent around him. Inside, he found the Everflame floating above a stone pedestal, its embers swirling like a living thing. As he reached out, a voice, soft as wind, yet ancient as the earth, whispered, "To seek knowledge, one must be ready to lose themselves in it." The fire flared, wrapping Elias in golden light. In that moment, he saw visions, lost civilizations, forgotten heroes, paths yet to be walked. When the light faded, the flame was gone, but something had changed. He wasn't just a traveler anymore. He was a keeper of stories, and his adventure had only just begun.